When I first started using Codex, which is what Pat is going to show you in a moment, I think I was still very much in asking mode. But then once I started to get used to Codex, I really started to understand how much it goes into this real doing.
To actually change the enterprise, you need people to solve really hard problems in order to really unlock these full organizational transformations.
Having the ability to connect your deal folder with all of the context and then be able to ask it real-time questions has been really impactful to our workflows.
Things that we do all the time, day to day in our work, things like ChatGPT's Excel plugin, has sped up our process of getting smarter in a company very, very meaningfully.
2,700 employees now have an enterprise ChatGPT license. It's just been a giant force multiplier for the business. You've got this flywheel of things being created across hundreds of GPTs that people are pushing through into the day-to-day operations of the business and really streamlining what the company's able to do.